911.
I'm at 33265 BP, Schoolcraft. I am an Uber driver. I don't know. I think something's going on with the passenger in my car. I don't know. I think he got a gun on him. I don't know if another guy was following us. I just got a bad feeling about this time.
What's going on?
I don't know.
I don't know if he got a gun or not. He just make me feel uncomfortable. The car was following us. Yeah, I mean, he been looking strange and he acting strange. He didn't know the address where we was going.
Where you going?
I'm one of my friends.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm just out here telling you what's going on.
I was scared of. I wasn't doing shit. Hey, I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm just saying. I just saw something.
We got one running eastbound. There he is. Right there, right into the bushes. Stop. Ready, I got him here. In the back, the industrial. Turn around.
Okay,
Turn
now
around.
just subject on
Put your
industrial.
hands behind your back. Ready, go secure.
Secure 2034.
I used to the industrial now. I see industrial in the car. Well, I'm on industrial. All I knew is
You go rob me. That's what I'm saying. You go rob me. I'm glad y'all came, man. I really appreciate y'all, bro. I really appreciate y'all.